Most kids learn how to count money, but not how to manage it. And that's a problem we can fix, one lesson at a time. Here are 3 money lessons every kid should learn before age 10. Lesson 1. Money has a purpose. Instead of giving kids money with no direction, teach them to divide it into 3 simple categories: save, spend, and give. Saving builds discipline. Spending teaches decision-making. Giving creates empathy. These aren't just money lessons, they're life lessons. Lesson 2. Patience pays off. We live in a world of instant gratification. But when a child saves for something they really want, like a new toy, they learn to wait, plan, and feel proud of what they've earned. That one lesson builds confidence and self-control that will last a lifetime. Lesson 3. Money comes from effort. It's important kids understand money doesn't just appear. Whether it's doing chores, helping out, or running a lemonade stand, earning gives money real value. It teaches them to appreciate hard work, and that nothing worth having comes easy. These 3 lessons can shape the way a child thinks about money forever. If you want a fun way to start teaching your kids, check out my book Saving Sammy, A Kid's Guide to Financial Literacy. It's designed to make money simple, fun, and unforgettable. Like, follow, and share this with a parent or teacher who wants to raise money-smart kids.